is a really quick recipe for some baby pikelets. Fantastic for the kiddies or for the big kiddies. So in here I've got about a cup of self-raising flour. Whenever you're making pancakes or pikelets, you need that rising agent. I've also added a pinch of sugar because these are sweet. We'll mix that together. I love the addition of some lemon zest. So the zest of half a lemon can go straight into the bowl. Make a well in the centre and we'll crack one egg. And I always like to start from the centre, whether they're pancakes, pikelets or crepes, and then work in the milk. So I'm going to say 1 cup of milk, but you may need a little more or a little less depending on the flour you're going to use. You want this to be a thick batter, not as thin as crepes. So keep mixing that in. And the last little milk. And you'll see how I'm not just vigorously mixing this. You don't want to overwork the flour, so just combine it. Okay, that is looking very good. Now to cook these pikelets. I'm using a good quality, certified organic, unsalted butter, and we want a generous knob of this butter. So we'll just cut about 10 grams off into a crepe pan and just allow that to melt. Now I've just got this on a medium heat. You don't want it to be too hot or too cold. So just coat the bottom of the pan, allow that butter to coat the pan, and then because these are mini pikelets, just use a dessert spoon to just dot this mixture into the pan. And you'll know that they're ready to flip when lots of little bubbles form on the surface of the pikelets and they start to pop. Okay, so our cute little pikelets are ready. They can come out of the pan and you can see how caramelized they are on the side. They're so cute. I'm going to add some strawberries, and this is a little decadent, but it is so worth it. This time I'm going to be using some salted organic butter. There's so much lovely flavor in it, so you don't need to add any salt at all. It just gives it that extra touch. And you want to leave this for just the end, so the butter melts onto these hot little pikelets. So you need the tiniest little amount. You see how it'll start to melt down. There's one more ingredient that is a must with pikelets, and it goes so well with the butter. That is maple syrup. Drizzle that over the top. Ooh, that is the perfect Sunday morning brekkie.